Hello, and you are welcome back. I believe you are doing great. And today we are frying Kaaklo. So we need the ripe or ripe plantains, onions, chili pepper, calabash nuts, ginger, cloves, black pepper, and corn flour. So I just go ahead and grind all my ingredients into a paste. The spices into a paste, and as you can see, I'm going in the original way, the local way, no blenders in studio, the earthenware way. This is the original. And guys, if you are new on this channel, you are most welcome. Don't forget to subscribe and let's win together. So I'm done with the grinding of my spices. I go ahead and mash my plantain into the spices. And guys, I set some of the spices aside because it was looking too plenty. Otherwise my Kaaklo will be too hot. This one I like it, so I don't want it too hot. Otherwise I can't eat. I'm done with the mashing of the plantain as well. I go ahead and add my corn flour. And the corn flour, I am not adding too much because my plantain is not overripe. It is well ripe but not overripe. So if you have the overripe one, that's when you need so much corn flour. As you can see, my oil is ready to do the frying. I can't wait to eat this one. It's one of my favorites actually. So as for this one, I will not invite you. Try your own. Oh, just look at that. It's frying beautiful. I can't wait. Oh my god, just look at that. It's looking very attractive, appetizing. Oh, somebody wish he or she is here, but thank god nobody is here. I'll eat it alone. So we are done. Do well to try this at home and thank me later. Thank you for staying with me till now. Don't forget to subscribe. And at my next upload, the Lord be with you.